In this video, we're going to go kayak fishing for carp with the fly rod. I've recently done a number of videos here at this channel about carp fishing, including a video about why you should consider fishing for carp in the first place, as well as a very extensive video about how to fly fish for carp. In this video, I'll be taking you along on a few kayak carp fly fishing adventures on the backwater sloughs of the Mississippi River with my nephew James from the James Gone Fishing YouTube channel. If you'd like to check out all kinds of awesome fishing videos, be sure to subscribe to his channel as well. I'll leave a link in the video description below. Fishing out of a kayak is a great way to access some fantastic, often untouched fishing locations. It allows you to get into areas where it wouldn't be possible to launch a boat, and also areas where fishing from the shore might be limited due to heavy brush. Fishing out of a kayak is also an effective way to very stealthily sneak into areas where some great fish are hanging out. Not to mention, it's just plain fun to float and paddle around in a kayak for a day, to explore new areas, and to enjoy the beauty of the great outdoors in general. Now you can also use a kayak for doing things like bowhunting adventures, which I've also made a past video series about that you can check out here at this channel later. But for now, come along with James and me for some kayak carp fishing on the backwaters of the mighty Mississippi. And yes, this is another one of those videos that might go longer than the usual 3 minutes or so, but I hope you don't mind. Alright, well, right out of the gate, just launched my kayak. I already see a whole school of grass carp in this little area here feeding on these cottonwood seeds. So I'm going to slip in here and see if I can pick one off. On, grass carp on. Right. Whoa. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Fantastic. Got a big grass carp on here. Whoa, Nelly. Good one. Oh, boy. Pretty good sized. Sweet. Got him on the Prince Nymph. Fantastic. He's taking me for a ride. He's taking me for a ride. Oh, almost. Get in there, fish. Jeez. Whoa, 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 he's spinning me around. Got him. All right. Okay, there we go. I'm kind of hard to manage right now with the kayak here, but that's a pretty decent grass carp on the Prince Nymph. Let's let him loose and go for a bigger one. Whoa, man. I'm fishing this small little mud flat here, and it's really hard to see these fish. I just saw some kind of a muddy cloud dispersing below me, and cast went in there where he was feeding, and sure enough, he hammered it. Man, he was just taking a run like a king salmon. Whoa! But he's taking me for a ride. I don't want to put too much pressure. I just got this little Prince Nymph on here. Holy cow. It feels pretty good. All right. It's not bad. It's not bad. Nice common carp on the Prince Nymph. Got him. All right. Fantastic. James has got another one on, he says. Let's go see what he's got going here. Looks like it's pulling him around the river here. I'm going to grab the back of your kayak. That'll give it some extra resistance. Maybe. That's super shallow here.
I've been fighting him for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, wow.
He won't give up. Yeah, he won't give up.
Yeah, these fish there, they are tough fish, man. Yeah, it's a big one. Oh, yeah. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Definitely will.
Yeah, it's a big one, man. That's a...
He's hooked good, though.
Good.
It was like literally, there was like 3 of them.
Yeah.
Eating. I snuck up on them.
Nice.
Put it right there. Hit it.
Cool.
It was pretty cool.
Come on, fish.
All right, he's coming over. I just got to get his head in there and throw him in here.
Yep. And there's just no control now, and he's just doing what he wants. I see him below him, man. He's big.
Yeah, he just won't come up. Oh man.
He's pulling you around like he's going water skiing.
I don't want to get in these sticks.
Yeah. I better keep him out of there. Whoa. Oh boy, look out! Is he hung up? Uh-oh.
No, he's out.
Okay. Yeah, it's a big one, man. Have to get him back out in the open water. Uh-oh. Man, he is in control, man. There's just no doing nothing. I mean, you just cannot. They're in control. You're just gonna have to wear them down.
Yep.
Man. Yeah, bring him up real close here. It's got a good. There he is. Well, he's about 11 pounds, the scale said. I thought he was bigger than that, but man, is he a fighter. And they're certainly bigger ones still. They're
big giant grass carp.
Like I say, they're progressively getting bigger on this adventure. All right, this is the patented Fishing with James cottonwood insect.
Yeah, it works. You
It's
just
out
need
here
something
first.
that floats.
Just need something that floats.
Something
he
that
says.
floats, something they can get right in front of their face.
Yep.
And it's just a matter of time.
Find it, sometimes these grass carp are super aggressive and just hammer it like a bass, and sometimes you just gotta keep putting it in front of their path of feeding path over and over and over until they finally hit it. And then even when they hit it, you gotta give them a couple seconds to really kind of chew on it and get it down in their mouth. So, all right, awesome. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.